Hey everybody, I'm in Montana. I'm so excited to be here. I am here for the Sony camera camp. But I decided to arrive a couple days early and just explore. It's incredible, the mountains. Amazing, I love mountains. So I'm at Lake McDonald. Some of the mountaintops are just shrouded in cloud. Amazing. I think I'm going to put on my 70-300 lens and see what I can capture here. Incredible. So I've used my 70-300 and I put a couple of filters on it. I've got a 10-stop ND filter and a polarizer. I took them on and off as I was taking pictures because I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to want to get here. The polarizer made a little bit of a difference in the trees and the mountain back here. There's fall colors there now and it's just incredible. And actually I'm not sure if it's fall colors or if it has to do with the coniferous trees or what. But the polarizer made a little bit of a difference there, so I was spinning it to see what kind of effects I could get. The water is, well, the sun is coming in on a kind of diffused angle and I'm not really going to be able to cut through the glare. However, you never know when it might make a difference, so I did have it on there and it's always good to experiment, you know, just spin it and take one, spin it and take another, spin it and take another and see which ones you like. I love mountaintops. So I was trying to capture some of the mood of the mountaintops with the clouds overhead. And all along the ridgeway of the mountains, like the top of the mountains there's all of these trees, these pine trees, these spindly trees. I mean, I know in this area there's forest fires and sometimes the trees can look like that. But I thought it was kind of neat because it's just this row of trees at the top with just sky behind and it's on top of a mountain. I thought, how cool is that? So I've just arrived in Montana and I'm going to be driving around. We might possibly get a beautiful sunset. It is looking somewhat promising. It was raining on my way in, and sometimes rain before a sunset is a good sign of colors, but you never know. Either way, it doesn't matter. This is beautiful. Like my hat, first stop, Walmart. They had Montana gear. So I'm driving by and I see a sign for McDonald Falls and I think, okay, well, people are stopped here. I wonder what it looks like. I've just stopped the car and I've gotten out, and from here, the view is absolutely stunning. I'm going to be doing this, just driving around and stopping. Oh my goodness. This has to be one of the most spectacular waterfalls I've ever seen. Incredible waterfall. I would say this is as beautiful as Niagara Falls. It's just, oh, it has so much character. There's all these different shelves and rock ledges and the water's just flowing down. It's just amazing. I've done two things. The 70 to 300 for some details and some silky smooth, but also some not silky smooth shots. And then the 16 to 35 to get the whole picture. This is a huge falls. It's actually really hard to get it all in, and there's really only this vantage point. There's no way down to the bottom, and you know what? It's beautiful though. It's framed by the trees, and it's just stunning. So I'm gonna stay here and take a few more pictures. Stop again. I was driving along and the light on the mountains up there was just incredible. It's gone now. It's gone. It was there for just a few minutes, but the sunlight was just dappled on the mountain, and like, I'm looking straight up. This mountain is huge. It's just beautiful. And then I look to the other side and the sun is kind of coming through the clouds at the top of the mountains again, and oh, there's just so much. Honestly, guys, it's enough to make you cry. It's so beautiful. Wow. Oh. Avalanche Creek, you guys. Wow, so cool. Basically, you can stop at any of these hundreds of pullouts on this going to the Sun Road, and there are incredible sights everywhere you stop. This is just amazing. It is like a rapids and rocks coming down, and oh, even the simple side of the road is beautiful. The rocks and the moss and the trees and that pine smell. Awesome. So tomorrow morning I'll have a whole day, and on Sunday I'll be going to camera camp. I'm really looking forward to both. The whole day is going to be fantastic. Just a day to relax and explore, and bring you along with me. We'll see you soon, guys. Bye.